Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8a and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, so for example this one, and tap on edit, so this pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo, so this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So we have to tap on this icon, this camera icon, and now we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app so you can quickly catch a photo, or we can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will choose this option, so let me tap on it. Now let me find the photo and tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, and now in this step we can change the position of the photo. We can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. The photo has been assigned, so confirm everything with the tick icon again. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like after applying the photo. Of course, you will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.